Harshvardhan, I'm very excited to be talking to you again. I'm hearing from many people that in this COVID world, of course, it's a very, very difficult world for all of us. So I don't have to
Yes,
reiterate that. But what
yes,
everyone is saying is that, when we talk about the different sectors, that lending space, lending sector, lending, jo bhi hai, vertical, everyone is saying that this is the worst time to lend. This is the worst
yeah,
time to borrow, and this is a very painful time for lending startups, lending businesses. You have built a great business, you have built a great team, you've raised money in this time. Tell us, what is your view of this space in India for the next 1 or 2 years?
Shraddha, we will go through our own pains and turmoils, right? Like every business is. So, मैंने जैसे initially when we started out, I had suggested that people have to worry about just one business that they have, right, or take care of supply demand. We have multiple small businesses that we are as partners engaged with them. Our money is engaged, and they are putting their labor and effort, and we are fruitfully growing with them, right? So, I think it's gonna be a wait and watch or a learning phase for us, right? Money is the beautiful part about lending businesses. There is no dearth of demand, Shraddha. No. So even if I want to lend 100 crores today, I can do that sitting in Ahmedabad, and it might take an hour only me to distribute money. The most important part is how it will come back, right? And that's where
Yeah.
prudence is required. That's where wisdom is required, and that's where you build a lending business. So the understanding is that businesses will go through the tough times of realization of cost cutting, employees leaving, and businesses coming down. But one more realization that we've had in building, or I have had personally, is that when the catastrophe hits, right, the reaction is too much, right? We start thinking कि 5 साल तक ये धंधा बंद ही रहेगा, 2 साल तक
हाँ.
ये हो जाएगा, 3 साल तक ये हो जाएगा, right? Because we एक बार क्या होता है कि हम लोग पहले तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड प्लान नहीं करते हैं, जब अनएक्सपेक्टेड होता है तो वी गेट ओवरवेल्म, राइट? एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली विद मी एज वेल, राइट? जब लॉकडाउन हुआ तो 15 दिन बाद में मुझे लगा था कि हो गया, सब खत्म हो गया, चलो हिमालय चलो, यहाँ से जाओ। राइट, दैट्स
हम
द
सबको
रिएक्शन।
ये
बट
लगा
नहीं,
था. हाँ.
सबको लगा था, करेक्ट, तो मैं अकेला नहीं था, राइट? So I think, but when the pickup starts happening, right? That's where I said कि the cycle of trust, once it starts rotating, right? आप एक माल बेचोगे, दो माल बेचोगे, then you will again get money and everything. It's a very fast, vicious cycle again. That and the build-up is again pretty quick, right? And that's where again the money will be required and everything. So the learning is, Shraddha, to hold on right now, right? Not judge ourselves, not judge our customers right now. Let, like I said, let everybody breathe, right? Like we are breathing, right? I'll be very
Yeah.
prudent, right? मतलब फट तो गई थी मेरी भी कि बॉस क्या हो गया है, right? So as an entrepreneur, like I said, we are optimists and we don't plan for the unexpected, right? You don't plan for the unexpected, and when the unexpected happens, you just start realizing कि अब क्या करना है, right? Because you normally build seeing that there will a linear journey. आप grow करोगे और सब कुछ होता रहेगा, पैसे आते रहेंगे, and life is hunky dory, right? But it doesn't play out as well. So I think it's we will have to wait and watch, Shraddha. There will be learning, there will be pains, there will be losses and everything, but we will have to wait and watch, right? And truthfully saying, I don't think we have a choice, right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Other
Yeah.
than all of us waiting this time out, right? So I have days where I get cranky, jittery, and everything, right? But then I have to sit and realize it's not within my hands as well, right? Everybody else around is also going through the same thing, and we can only complicate the situation right now by judging ourselves or by judging our businesses right now. So maybe let's take another 90 days or to breathe more out, and then plan and build again, right? And Shraddha, I have, like I said in the last interview as well, at 60, when you and me sit again, right, we'll be having the same cup of coffee, same tea, same biscuits and everything, right? Only the vessel can change it. For you, it might be steel. For me, it might be melamine, right? Or for you, it might be silver, or for me, it might be melamine. Biscuits and the tea won't change, right? I think
Yeah.
whatever we will remember is gonna be the journey, right?
Yeah.
And we maybe 2020 would have been a normal year, but now it will have a chapter in our book, right? That
Yes.
it will have a chapter or maybe three chapters in our book if it shapes our life post COVID. So that's how it is. Shraddha, I think we will have to wait and watch and keep on building. I think I had few discussions with people where when the shutdown happened, right, a lot of people were saying that Mukesh Bhai is in the wrong business of petrol and everything, right? And see, so now everything's changed, right? So yeah, 60 days when shutdown was there, petrol might not have been the best business to be in, right? Or maybe so. I think maybe hyperlocal was the best business before this, but not now.
Yeah.
Maybe food business was the best business, but not now. But it will come back again. So you'll have to, and this is a journey you have to go through. Sooner or later, these trust and trust will come, Shraddha.
Lending businesses will have it tough, and also that people
Yeah,
will not lend right now. You are
right.
the man in the hot seat. So tell us,
Yeah.
what is happening at Lending Card?
No, I think, yeah, Shraddha, you're truly right, right? So again, the problem that people have currently, like a businessman would have to manage his one business, right? And similarly, a problem with an other entrepreneurs running small businesses or large businesses would be just to manage their business, their demand, their supply chain, right? Here in lending per se, you are working with thousands and thousands of businesses, right? So you have to be cognizant of their supply chain, their demand, how it is getting affected, and everything, right? Because finally what we earn from is by giving money to our borrowers, and they run their businesses and give us our money back, right? So it could be viewed both ways, right? You have one business, you have all the eggs in one basket, rather than that you spread across multiple businesses and run multiple businesses. So I think, so the last time also I remember that when we were talking, right, I told you one thing about trusting people and believing in them, right? And I have always put myself in their shoes, right? So I personally feel that if I have gone through the 90 days of COVID and I'm still managing it, maybe through my family or friends or talking to them or exercising more and stuff, I'm sure all the small businesses would be figuring those ways and means out, right?
Yeah.
And the world wouldn't end, right? It's not the apocalypse. So the whatever was predicted in 2020, it's still not going to happen. We will all get back on our feet, and that's been the human spirit, right? Whether it's Great Depression, World Wars, or whatever, right? So
Yeah.
I think that's gonna continue. So I have always believed one thing, that whatever I can overcome, all our businesses that we have lent to can also overcome, and that's the spirit that will keep us, that has kept us going beforehand for with small businesses, and I think that will keep us going in future as well with small businesses. Shraddha.
In the last 90 days, or maybe let's just say in the last 30, 40 days, have you seen a huge surge in the demand for lending?
Shraddha, I think we've been talking to our customers, right? And it's a mixed bag, right? A lot of our customers are saying कि नहीं मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए, because this might not be a prudent time to take more money on them.
Hmm.
And there are few businesses who are requiring money as well, right? Because their expenses are not there, and they want to pay salaries, they want to pay some taxes and stay on the right side of the law and order, or want to help their families and this and that, right? So it's a mixed bag. I think people, it's not a generic. I think I always we were surprised when people came back and told us that they don't want money, right? I was surprised कि पैसा किसको नहीं चाहिए, but there are still people that will come back and tell you that we don't want money. So I think the problem is that we normally assume, we classify people in a class, right? That the smaller businessman would be going through troubles and he'll want money and he'll be struggling. But I think everybody figures out, right? Essentially, whether it's a small animal or a large dinosaur, everybody will figure out their own space, right?
Yeah.
People think, yeah. So that's there. It's been surprising. I think what we are further doing, Shraddha, right now is I have told my team to not judge right now, right? Right now might not be the opportunity, because Shraddha, for me as well to evaluate my performance in last 3 months or what I am going to do for next 3 months is not going to be easy, right?
Yeah.
If that's true for me, then how can I evaluate small businesses? I need time for breathing, right? Everybody is breathing right now, Shraddha, right? So I think it might not be prudent to evaluate businesses right now. We need to give ourselves some time, at least to get back to normal. These are not the regular circumstances, Shraddha, right? This is like, this might be, I'm not sure how frequently we will see in 21st century, but this is my once in a kind of a decade, or a once in a kind of multiple decades kind of a phenomenon that we are seeing over here. So I think we have always trusted. When Demon happened, we heard a lot of similar things. When GST happened, we heard a lot of similar things. This is much massive, much larger in scale, but because it involves small businesses who finally deal with the regular businesses, like a coaching class or a computer academy or a tailor, barber, parlor, will sooner get back to his business, and the new things will come. Yeah, in the meantime, if there are learnings for us, if there are losses for us, so be it, I think, Shraddha. I think that will be a cost of learning or building up the business. But you basically cannot let that pull you down, right? I think we have to be right. I'll tell you one important thing, right? Founders don't even they don't have 1% chance of being pessimistic, right? We are not allowed to be pessimistic.
Right.
Right now is not the time to judge. Right now, I think Shraddha, it's time to help each other, right? As much as possible. For our customers as well, we are calling them up, hearing them out their problems. We are telling them that, guys, take moratorium if you want to from us. We have you covered in terms of your insurance and your family members and everyone. Reach out to us. We will give your insurance money if you get COVID. I think take money, extra money if you want from us and everything. And I think business can continue. I think right now might be the time, like Shraddha, we are doing it for our family, right? We are doing it for our family, taking care of them, neighbors, friends, and everything. This might be the time to build that and build those relationships together. And then evaluation of business can come later on, right? That's three
Yeah.
months later.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's 3 months
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
later.
I also wanted to understand from you that you like the number that I've been given is that you've given loans to over 55,000 MSMEs.
It's 1 lakh now, Shraddha, almost. 1 lakh
Wow.
MSMEs you've given. Yeah, pan
Wow.
India.
Wow. 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 That's a huge number. What I want to understand from you, is this MSME space, right? Because we are hearing so much. And, I had the privilege of interviewing the finance minister, and she was talking
Yes,
about that, they're coming up with a lot of stimulus packages and all that for MSME,
yes,
but it's very severely hit this space.
yeah.
Tell us about what you are seeing of the MSME space and MSMEs in India. And do you have any specific plans to do any kind of a reach out right now to this
Oh.
community?
Shraddha, what's been in our country per se, if you look at it, right, the entire fabric is based on trust, right? The entire business fabric is based on trust. How does it work is you sell goods to somebody on trust, right, and expect that he will pay you. You buy goods from somebody and that the other guy who you are buying from will expect that you will pay in trust, right? It's so kind of businesses run on trust, right? On buying, selling, delivering service and everything, right? So right now, what has happened is through this, you aren't getting money from someone and you aren't paying to someone, right? So the entire trust mechanism or trust network has gone for a toss. People are themselves anxiety, full of anxiety, jittery and
Yeah.
everything. मेरा पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा, मैं दूं या नहीं दूं, मेरे खर्चे चलेंगे या नहीं चलेंगे, मेरा माल बिकेगा या नहीं बिकेगा, how much stock should I keep and all those things, right? So it is right now when the unlock 1.1, 1.0 has happened, people are going out, they are figuring things out for themselves, right? But like it's always said, the wheel has to move on, right? There is no way that none of us will survive by. If I can see that I might not buy shirts for 6 months or a year, but then I'll buy them, right? Sooner or later, I'll buy something, I'll
Yeah.
sell something, so the wheel will start moving. So because of this phenomenon, the cycle of trust has got stopped a little bit, right? But it will start coming back on, right? And this is where I think the businesses are struggling. I think more so what has happened is for us, the kind of customers that we are catering, Shraddha, are educated youngsters, right? Educated in the sense my average age is 23 to 45, right? So they are middle-aged people, young children, teenage children, and digital savvy people who are running businesses like coaching class, computer academy, a kirana store, mithai store, but they have banking relationships and everything as well, right? The worst hit in these times are actually micro enterprises, the hawkers, the pani puri wala, and the auto rickshaw wala, and all those things, right? And they are the segment in the country. They are one of the largest segment in the country, Shraddha, and they are the people who don't have savings, right? So
Yeah.
they stay from day to day. So and whatever they had, they have used in 20, 30, or 60 days of lockdown that we've had, right? So that's the segment that's worst hit. So I think that's where once the cycle starts moving, everything will come back. Government has announced a lot of stimulus, I think, Shraddha, but we've always believed that the penetration has to be much deeper, right? The schemes are good, but the execution doesn't happen to the T, right? People don't get it. And somehow there are caveats, right? Like in first moratorium, the assumption was that we will give moratorium to everyone and we will also get moratorium from our lenders, right? But it did not plan out as happened, right? And that's where we also adopt a lot of digital lenders or a lot of NBFCs, digital NBFCs, basically they had to struggle as well, right? Or they were struggling. Touchwood, we were flush with cash because we could raise money and multiple things happened with us, right? But my smaller peers would not have had that luxury, right? So execution is the key. Second thing is communication is the key as well, Shraddha, right? So one thing that I have realized in this whole 90 days is how do you build communication in your organization, right? And for the finance minister, FMM, basically, how does she build it and make it work across the country, right? So in Europe and US and comparatively developed economies, the mechanisms of communication are far more set, right? In our country, the problem is that the communication is comparatively sparse, and people and media pick up comparatively whatever they want to put across, right? You are laughing, but I'm just saying that that's how it works, right? So for me as well, during these 90 days, it was extremely important to know what my colleagues are doing, what peers or subordinates down are doing, how they are doing, and to communicate to them what we are thinking, right? And like you said, right, at the beginning of this, that a lot of noise is going on where it's suggested that the lending is in difficult space and everything, but you have to communicate, right? I have to be able to, my seniors have to communicate then, guys, hold on, let's not judge ourselves, let's not judge our business and everything. This might not be a time. Let's prudently do whatever we can. So I think a lot of schemes are happening. We are also figuring out our way among those schemes. But like for us as a company, execution is the key in these times. Shraddha, for the country as a whole also, if we have to surmount this and come out stronger, execution is going to be the key.
Yeah. So I picked up something very interesting while you were answering this question, is that you raised money. So
yeah.
मतलब ऐसे टाइम पे पैसा रेज किया, मतलब I'm sure the conversation must have been going on before, but it's a big thing, and honestly it's a very positive signal for the ecosystem also, and congratulations. I know that the money just doesn't come like that. How did you manage to do that? Tell us, पैसा कहाँ से आया?
No, I think Shraddha, the good part is maybe the attitude helped me survive, right? I think so. My investors are also looking at somebody कि हाँ भैया ये बंदा ठीक है, डाल दो इसमें और पैसे डाल दो. ये manage कर लेगा, right? He will manage the stressful times, or he'll manage during these times, right? But I think, Shraddha, Touchwood, we have investors who have been thinking long term, right? So one good part was that we have a sovereign wealth fund that's based Singapore-based wealth fund, and they think long term, right? Basically, they don't think short term. And because you have a large investor, they have multiple business entities who've gone through something like that as well. So one good thing that I can share, Shraddha, was we have investors who have invested in China as well, right? So we had started hearing about these things from February itself, that guys brace up, right? But वो नॉर्मली होता है कि जब तक आपके घर पे आग नहीं आती है आप पानी लेने नहीं दौड़ते हो, but आप सुन तो रहे ही हो. So for a lot of my peers, it would not have been the case, right? Suddenly on 23rd March when the lockdown happened, they would have heard it for the first time. भाई ये क्या हो गया मतलब, right?
Yeah.
But we were hearing those bells, whistles, noises and everything. And during those times, they were asking me कि हर्ष पैसा चाहिए क्या? मैं नहीं चाहिए, अभी तो चल रहा है सब तक. Why do I need more money, right? And then this lockdown had happened, and then they said कि हर्ष अब पैसा चाहिए? मैं बोला हाँ सर चाहिए. So that's how things worked out. And I think finally the belief in business has to be there, right? So I am also requesting them to judge mat karo abhi, right? And they also believe that this might not be a time, right? Whatever be the outcome of this, where do we stand post this? We will then again start building the business again.
I always believe that this testing time has shown businesses and entrepreneurs who would have had good practice, good running, good behavior, and I'm saying good behavior in the business model to everything, who would have shown it. तभी मतलब ये कोई ऐसा नहीं होता कि ये we are hearing all these wartime CEOs. I think these are CEOs and entrepreneurs and businesses who had everything proper in place, right? So they could respond better, and you have done that. Yeah.
I think Touchwood, the team that we have, essentially the kind of people that we've had, Shraddha, and I think the alignment of business has been, the DNA has been Touchwood from early days has been good enough for us. So that way it does give confidence to set of people, right? Because you're seeing those kind of people, you react to them, believe in them. So I think, it's worked out well for us.
You as a company, Lending Cart, and you have such a name, Lending Cart, lending karte hain, Lending Cart, but also has this COVID world, besides many realizations, has it also made you think of different avenues, different opportunities that you will be going after? Because you are anyways engaging with 1 lakh MSMEs.
Okay. Yeah. So I think, Shraddha, opportunities are ripe, right? Essentially, in the sense, I'll tell you that when we started out this business, it was always told to us that lending is a touch-based business, right? Where you reach out to the customer, meet him, interact with him, right? We were at that time propagating that maybe a touch is required, but it can be solved through data analytics and all those things, right? If you have right kind of data, if you understand your customer and everything, you can solve for the touch problem. So I think right now everybody is not, so nobody's now willing to go to touch, right? Now people are thinking of digitization. Earlier people used to sell that we have so many branches, we have so many people, we speak so many dialects, and we can understand our customer, right? Right now, the people are veering towards our direction. Secondly, we've always believed that if you can serve the right product to your customer, understand him in the right form and fashion, and deliver the right product, you can grow and build. So in these digitizations, we had earlier thought that we would cross-sell multiple products, right? Maybe sell home loans, maybe sell insurance as well in future to these customers and help them in financial inclusion. But right now, this opportunity has brought that to the forefront, right? So we can definitely go ahead and sell insurance to all our customers, right? Cover them in insurance or something like that, right? Because these are the people. So people who are there on our portfolio, obviously we have covered them through group insurance and we can help them with their families. But a lot of people who are reaching out might not qualify for our loan, or we might not be able to give them loan based on the available data. But can I help them by taking an insurance, online insurance, right? I know a lot of peers are already doing it. Those businesses are still there, right? But I think we have a huge demand in the country, right? So I think if all of us are pursuing that passion of doing the financial inclusion and helping people out, we can also pick that up. Secondly, my realization is in these times, people or the largest of the institutions will still be G3, right? Of going and lending to smaller businesses, trusting them, because again, information asymmetry about data, rental पे रह रहा है, कल छोड़ के चला गया तो क्या होगा, and multiple things are going to be there, right? If we believe in our business and we can push them that we believe in our business, why don't you let us do that for you? So co-lending as a proposition can come good for them, where we provide our infrastructure as a tech and digital player, and we can create a loan book for them, where obviously we cover the losses to our guarantees and everything, but those businesses can also survive. So these two things, which might have come maybe a lot more in some near future, we are realizing that these could be done this year, in the coming year itself, right? And we are engaging with larger institutions for both these things. So this is an opportunity that we see. This is fast tracked for our part, where we can use our digital infrastructure to sell him other goods, and or maybe help other institutions to lend money to them as well. मतलब अगर इतना ही होता, if it would have been so easy, everybody would have started that. And India needs more like me, right? If 5 people get inspired and start my business, then maybe if tomorrow 100 people say that we started because Lending Card did this, my job anyway is done, right? I couldn't shut down Lending Card, then those 99 can do the work for the country. So we've been keeping on meeting all the investors, right? So a lot of time it does help that. So one plus point of it was that you go and meet all the investors and everything, and then you come out empty-handed. That's a bit depressing as well. कि कोई देता नहीं है. Then I got to learn from seniors only कि भैया 25 में से you need only one guy to write a check for you, right? But that's okay, right? जाना तो 25 के पास पड़ेगा, right? So I took it positively, and I would go every time to every 25, right? Every 50 कि सर मैं आ रहा हूँ, I am coming, I am meeting you. आप ना बोलोगे मुझे पता है, but ठीक है, that's part of it, right? So all those things have kind of helped as well, right? So a lot of investors, maybe now Shraddha, are kind of good friends, but they've never given me money as well. So that's how it works. So I think focus has helped us stay on our path, Shraddha.
All of us will agree. Everyone watching this will agree. India needs this, and you are, what you have built is a solid, robust, and real business where we've seen a lot of noise. You have cut the noise and you've built a strong, silent, robust business. And we really wish that you succeed and you grow, because that will help so many businesses. And you know, small business, you know it because you've been telling that story and living that story, that they need you and they need Lending Card. Yeah. So all the very best.
Thank you, Shraddha. Thanks a lot.